Well, good morning and welcome back to Travels with Bart. Yes, it's been a while since we've had a video. I'm afraid we've been having some weather. Some not very nice weather and some very cloudy weather and very occasional sunshine. So it really hasn't been the right sort of weather for making videos. But this morning we're heading somewhere special. As you can see, we're traveling inboard. And I think what I will do is I'll just turn the camera around and then you can see where we're going, because you probably don't want to look at me. So I've lived in this part of Thailand for the best part of 10 years. And I've probably mentioned before that on the mainland here we're very close to Ko Samui, which probably most of you have heard of. And it's about, I think, about 12 kilometers of sea to get to Ko Samui, and I really can't figure why in 10 years I haven't actually been. But this morning we're finally going. I have a ticket, Bert has a ticket, and we're going to get on a ferry and we're going to go to Ko Samui. We're only going to go for the day and we'll see what we can see and just sort of get a general idea of what Ko Samui is all about. And the ferry is not particularly expensive, and it's about the same price as a night in a hotel, so it's quite practical to go for a one-day trip. So we're heading up to a place called Donsak, which is where the ferry terminals are. And yes, there are 3 of them. This morning we're taking a ferry with a company called Seatran, which I think is probably the most professional of the 3, so that's why I picked it. They have a website, and I managed to book the ticket online, so that was good. Right, I'm pretty sure this is where we go. There is a large sign, but you can only read it if you come in the other way. That seemed like a long wait, but we're moving finally, I think. Well, there's a lot of people. I think it's going to be kind of busy. Right, that's it. We're on board. Now I guess we'll have a little walk. Right, I've no idea where we're going. I guess we go up these steps here. Well, they certainly make sure the boat is full. Well, welcome to Ko Samui. No idea what the weather's going to be like today, but so far it looks pretty good. I think it's going to be fairly mixed. So the next few videos will come from here. I'm not sure how many yet, 3 maybe. So stay tuned for the next videos. Coming to a channel near you very soon. For now it's goodbye from Bart, and it's goodbye from me on Ko Samui. Goodbye.